What do you remember about the Depression?
A lot. Some pretty horrible. Yeah, some awful images. But I think the happiest image I have is of getting out after the Erev Shabbos meal and walking, mostly alone, up a couple of blocks to what would be the main street where the big shops were in this section of East New York. And on every corner there was a soapbox or some form of it, and one version or another of socialism. You could really get a complete education if you took notes. And I must have done that for quite a number of years, because the episode that remains with me is I'm a freshman at senior high, so I was already 13, 12, 13. And I come to a corner, and there's one of the kids in my class. I mean, he couldn't have been much older. And there he is standing on some kind of carton and orating about Marx, Lenin, the works. And I went up to him and I said, I still remember his name, Bernard John Paul. I said, Bernie, how do you get to this position? He said, I make it all up. But it was a wonderful feeling of the excitement. And you're never alone, the streets are full. And it's that ideas matter. They're interesting, they're fascinating, yeah.